Hello everybody, welcome back to my workshop. Today's workshop is going to be about Moonshine Metallics. In this workshop, I'm going to show you how to apply metallic paint. Most metallic paints need a primer, but with Dixie Belle, this is not really the case. On this side, we will go straight onto the wood and we will probably need 2 to 3 coats. On this side, I'm going to apply a coat of Dixie Belle paint as a primer and we will see how this side turns out. So let's get started. I'm going to use Tea Rose color as my primer for my rosé metallic paint. Here I am adding my primer, Tea Rose color. And here I'm adding my metallic paint. I will let that dry and add a second coat of metallic paint to both sides. And here it is. As you can see, both methods got the same results. Today we worked on a light wood, but I imagine if you work on a dark wood, you will need more coats. One of my favorite things to do with Moonshine Metallics is to add to the hardware and details. Let's use this detail brush and put some gold on our trim board. It's that simple. This is how you use Moonshine Metallics. You can protect this with any of Dixie Belle products. You can also mix this with any Dixie Belle products, or you can mix Moonshine Metallics colors together. You can use it as a solid color, you can use for details, you can use it for hardware, you can blend with it. Possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching this workshop. I will see you in the next one.